Do it again. Oh. Where's it go? Do it.
Yay!
Yay!
Go.
Go ahead.
Yay!
Yay! Say hi, Annabelle. Say hi.
Give me 5.
Do all the tricks. Do high five.
One more. Put that in there.
Yay! Now come here. Come here. Do headbutt.
Annabelle, headbutt.
Ooh. Okay, come here. Come here.
Give me 5, Annabelle.
Give high five.
Annabelle, come here. Come
Give me
here.
5.
There's no
Come
money
here.
in my purse. There's no money in there.
Wow, she's learning on stealing
Here.
money from me.
Come here, boo boo.
They're over there.
Come here.
Get some money.
Give me 5.
Here, do it with mommy.
What?
Do all her tricks.
I'm like,
Do her high five.
High five. She's stealing